Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Leetcode question number 1155, number of dice rolls with target sum. In this question we need to find the number of possibilities when we roll n dice and we get the sum of all the numbers equals to target. But here the dice can have k number of faces and the numbers ranging from 1 to k. Okay, so we need to solve this question. To solve this question, there is one way where we can find all the possible combinations of dice rolls, and then we will count the ones which have a target sum of target, and then we can just return the answer. But it's gonna be very time consuming, and the time complexity will be exponential. So we don't wanna do that, right? But we can optimize this approach using memory. What we can do is we can prevent solving the we can prevent solving the sub problems again and again by storing the values in a table. Okay, so we can do that. For this we can first define a sub problem. Okay, let's start with dp count. Okay, so this means that this will this will store the number of possibilities of count the number of dices if rolled give the total sum as sum, right? So so this is our sub problem. Now we can calculate this using dynamic programming and memorization. So let's begin. First we need to declare the memo table. It's gonna be a 2D matrix. Okay, I am initializing all the values in the matrix with -1. Yes, this is done. Now we need to make a recursive functions. Now we need to make a recursive function. So let's make a lambda function with returning an integer values and arguments as int and int, which are count and sum. Oops, and int. Okay, so it's gonna accept. It's gonna take the db table with the reference. We don't want to copy the entire table, right? And it's gonna take the arguments as integer count, integer sum. Okay, okay. So first of all, let's just get done with the edge cases, right? If count is less than 0, which means that we are going beyond the number of dices, right? We are counting more number of dices, and we don't want to do that, so we will return 0 in that case. Okay, if count is already 0, but we already have no if yeah, if the sum is already equal to target, but we already have some dice left and count, right? Still we want to return 0. Or or we can also generalize this. If the sum is either greater than the target or equal to target, we will return 0 in this case. Okay, fine, let's format this. Okay, our case number 3. mm, mm, yeah. Oh, this is not good. Okay, okay, I think we are done with the edge cases. Oh, there is also a case when when we have successfully when we have successfully reached our condition, which is if count is equal to 0, which means that we have considered all the dice, and the sum of all those dice is also equal to the target, right? In this case we gonna return 1. That means that we have counted this sub problem, right? Okay. Also we can check that if this sub problem has been already solved before, so we can check sum is greater than equal to 0, which means that if it has been solved before, we can just simply return the dp cell. Then here you go. Yes, right. So these are the edge cases. Now we wanna calculate what we want, right? So integer I is equal to 0. Oh, I is equal to 1. I is less than equal to k, because the numbers on the dice are ranging from 1 to k, right? So that's why. Okay. And yeah, integer answer equal to 0. Also we need to mod the answer the with the value 10 to the power 9 plus 7, so we can do that. Oh sorry, answer equal to 0 mod equal to 1 e to the power 9 plus 7. So yeah, oh sorry, 10 e to the power 9 plus 7, good enough. Okay, answer plus equals to solve. Now we have already considered the dice with the value I, right? So we now have count to minus 1 number of dice, so we gonna pass count to minus 1 and decrease the sum with I, sum minus I. Okay, done. Oh okay, so yeah, which means that we have already considered with dice, which means that our existing sum will be increased by I. So yeah, that's my mistake. And then we gonna mod our answer with mod. Answer is equal to answer modulus mod. Okay. And in the end save the answer into our dp table, so that we can check whether this particular sub problem has been solved before. Okay, now we just need to call this function with values count is n and the sum is 0. Okay, very nice. Let's return the dpn target. Okay, let's check first. mm, oh, I think I have made some mistake, right? Have I made some mistake? We have, and yeah, and some, right? So, oh yeah, then yeah, we are starting with n dice, and none of them has been considered, so we have some equals to 0, right? Okay, that's correct. Now let's check if I'm missing any edge case. If count is less than 0, okay, that's good. If sum is greater than equal to target, yeah. If you are already exceeding the target, there is no use of going ahead, right? Okay, and count, and we still have some and we are still some dice left. Okay, yeah. If the sum is greater than equal to target, that's an enough condition to return 0. Okay, let's check. I think it's correct. Oh, if count. My bad. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. I think I am making some silly mistake here. Let's check again. If count is less than 0, okay, that's correct. If sum is exceeding the target, okay, that's also correct. Mm, if count is equal to 0, okay. If all the dices are done and the sum is also equal to target, we can return 1. Okay. Uh, this should go up. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Let's check with this value. 30, 30, 500. Okay. 30, 30. Let's take 700. Cause why not? Yep. So let's submit this and hope for the best. And here you go. This was our DP memorization solution for problem number 1155. Number of dice rolls with target sum. Thank you for watching this video. See you with another explanation. Thanks. Bye. Peace.